You can imagine having your own personal robot companion, something that is not only a great friend, but also takes care of your home. It could clean your house, cut the grass, walk your dog, help teach your children, and even take care of babysitting tasks. At the same time, it could also help increase the production of goods and services. Tesla's progress has been so impressive that even Boston Dynamics, one of the biggest names in robotics, has recognized the achievements Tesla has made. The Tesla team has made incredible progress by building advanced humanoid robots from the ground up in such a short period of time. Their work has helped bring more attention to the importance of this technology, something robotics experts have been discussing for decades. Recent breakthroughs in artificial intelligence have allowed robots to develop amazing abilities in just a few years. Simply put, AI is giving robots intelligence, while humanoid robots are allowing AI to interact with the physical world. Think about it this way. An AI system like ChatGPT can provide you with a detailed recipe, but it cannot actually enter your kitchen and prepare the meal for you. You still have to do the physical work yourself. But imagine if that same intelligence was placed inside a humanoid robot like Optimus. Suddenly, everything changes. The robot could walk into your kitchen, understand instructions, and prepare everything from breakfast to dinner. Elon Musk has explained that the biggest difference between Tesla Bot and other humanoid robots is its brain. Tesla does not just have a basic robotic control system. It has developed a robot with a powerful real-world AI system. Tesla has a major advantage because the company can transfer what it has learned from self-driving cars directly into Optimus. The experience gained from electric motors, batteries, power electronics, structural engineering, and manufacturing gives Tesla important advantages that many competitors do not have. According to Musk, the key ingredient is that Tesla's robot has a real brain. It is similar to the Wizard of Oz story. The intelligence behind the machine is what truly makes the difference. Over the last few years, Tesla has shown that it is not only an electric vehicle company, but also a leader in real-world artificial intelligence. The company has created an advanced AI system for self-driving cars, which Elon Musk describes as essentially robots on wheels. Now Tesla is taking that same technology and adding arms and legs to create Optimus. By using technology already developed for EVs, including batteries, drive systems, software, and electronic components, Tesla has been able to reduce development costs and move faster than many competitors. However, one major challenge remains. Building millions of Optimus robots will not be simple, especially during the early stages. Even though Tesla produces many important components internally, creating a human-sized robot is completely different from manufacturing an electric vehicle. Every component must fit inside a compact human-like body while maintaining efficiency, strength, and natural movement. Otherwise, the result could be a large, awkward machine that struggles to move properly. Tesla plans to begin expanding Optimus production, with initial manufacturing expected to start with around 5,000 robots. That would mean roughly 100 robots being produced every week. While this number may not seem massive, it represents an important milestone because it shows Tesla is moving beyond prototypes and entering real production. What makes this interesting is Tesla's ability to rapidly increase manufacturing speed. Look at Cybertruck as an example. At the beginning of its production journey, Tesla was only making a few hundred Cybertrucks per week. But later, production increased significantly, reaching thousands of units weekly. And Cybertruck is not an easy vehicle to manufacture. If Tesla can improve production of a complicated vehicle like Cybertruck, the company believes it can apply similar manufacturing strategies to Optimus. Elon Musk has suggested that Optimus production could eventually reach 50,000 to 100,000 units in a year. Then, by the following years, production could potentially increase dramatically, possibly reaching hundreds of thousands or even 1 million robots. It sounds like an extremely ambitious goal, and there is always uncertainty because Musk is known for setting aggressive targets. But one thing is clear. Tesla's robot production plans are moving forward, and the company expects significant growth. One of Optimus's most impressive abilities is its potential to understand human behavior, expressions, and body language. Instead of relying only on spoken commands, Optimus could recognize gestures and understand what a person wants through simple movements. This could make interactions much easier, especially for people who have difficulty communicating through speech. The robot could also be customized with different personalities and voices. Over time, it could learn your habits, preferences, and daily routines, allowing it to better understand what you need. In the future, you might not even have to explain every command because the robot could predict your actions and respond naturally. Tesla has also suggested that Optimus could learn new skills simply by watching videos. For example, if you show it a video of someone cooking, playing an instrument, or performing a specific task, the robot could analyze those movements and learn how to repeat them. Of course, it would not become perfect instantly. Like any AI system, it would need practice, training data, and repeated attempts to improve its performance. This is a powerful example of how deep learning could transform robotics and allow machines to continuously improve through experience. Welcome to Tesla Car World. Now imagine owning a humanoid robot that cleans your house, mows your lawn, handles your laundry, carries heavy items, and even goes shopping for you. Sounds incredible, right? Especially during weekends, because nobody wants to waste their valuable free time buried under endless household chores. These tasks are repetitive and boring, and that is exactly why Elon Musk is developing the Tesla bot. In fact, this could become an even bigger breakthrough than electric vehicles. If Tesla manages to achieve mass production, the Optimus robot could become a massive money-making opportunity. Unlike Tesla cars, which mostly remain parked for a large part of the day, these robots could constantly perform useful tasks. Even better, they could potentially help people earn money by completing different types of work. Of course, Elon Musk has admitted that Optimus will not be perfect at the beginning and will still have some issues. But how serious could these problems be? And if something goes wrong, is the robot still safe to use? Let's find out. And remember, be kind to the Optimus robots. Soon, you could simply walk up to one of these robots, and they might even serve you a drink at a bar. When people hear the term humanoid robot, many of us imagine a futuristic world where machines handle difficult, dangerous, or boring tasks that humans no longer want to do. Who hasn't imagined having a robot that cooks meals, washes dishes, and manages everyday household work? It sounds like something from a dream. But at the same time, many people are worried that these machines could replace human jobs, or, even worse, become uncontrollable like the robots we see in science fiction movies. Then there are people who believe humanoid robots are nothing more than slow, awkward machines that look impressive, but have no real purpose. Basically, just expensive piles of metal that struggle to even walk properly. People often joke that some robots move like a confused person trying to find their way home. And honestly, that criticism is not completely wrong. Most humanoid robots today are still trying to prove that they can actually be useful in everyday situations. Some designs look so unnatural and uncomfortable that it is easy to question whether they will ever become practical. But have you noticed something interesting? Over the last 2 years, everything has changed dramatically. We are not talking about small upgrades or minor improvements. We are talking about major advancements in humanoid robotics. Just 2 years ago, it was mainly Tesla Bot and Boston Dynamics Atlas competing against each other. But today, this is no longer a simple competition between two companies. It has become a worldwide technology battle, with dozens of powerful companies from North America and China entering the race. To be clear, we are not saying Tesla has the most advanced humanoid robot in every category. But what we do believe is that Tesla Optimus has some of the greatest potential to actually impact people's daily lives. At the same time, it is also one of the more affordable humanoid robots being developed, with a price target that could eventually make owning one possible for many people. Elon Musk believes that, in the long term, an Optimus robot could cost somewhere around $20,000 to $30,000. Most humanoid robots today struggle to enter the real world because they are not produced at a large scale. We often see exciting demonstrations where a new robot performs impressive movements or completes amazing tasks. But after some time, those robots disappear and are rarely heard about again. This is the reality of humanoid robotics today, and it is why many people believe these robots are just advanced laboratory experiments that may never become useful in everyday life. However, Tesla has changed that perception completely. Not only are they working toward mass-producing humanoid robots, but they also showcased 50 Optimus robots at a major event where people could see and interact with them directly. The interesting part is that the event was originally designed to introduce Tesla's Cybercab, a fully autonomous robotaxi. But surprisingly, the robots became the main attraction. People surrounded Optimus instead of focusing only on the vehicle, proving that Tesla Bot is not just another futuristic concept. It is challenging the old idea that humanoid robots are useless or just for entertainment. And Optimus is already demonstrating that it can perform many tasks people would genuinely want assistance with. It can receive and inspect packages, serve drinks, fold clothes, charge electric vehicles, clean kitchens, water plants, carry heavy objects, play games with families, dance, and even answer questions. And the most impressive part is that Tesla achieved this progress in less than 2 years. Of course, a new product like Optimus will not be flawless from the beginning, especially when it is designed to operate in the real world around humans. Elon Musk has openly admitted that Optimus will have some limitations and unexpected issues during its early stages. So, what kind of problems could happen? One possible challenge is misunderstanding human instructions. The robot may not always correctly understand natural conversations or complicated commands. For example, you might ask Optimus to bring you some food, and instead, it could misunderstand and return with something completely different. Another possible issue is connectivity. Because Optimus relies on advanced software and data systems, problems with internet connections or communication could affect how it performs certain tasks. If the connection is interrupted, the robot may have difficulty accessing important information or completing some functions. Walking through complex environments could also be challenging. For example, climbing stairs requires extremely precise balance, movement control, and calculations with every single step. Even though Optimus can already move on stairs, this remains one of the most difficult challenges for humanoid robots. A small mistake in balance could cause the robot to lose stability or fall. However, these types of problems are expected during the development process. With continuous software updates, improved hardware, and more real-world experience, Optimus should become more capable over time. Elon Musk has also explained that Optimus will eventually have the ability to correct its own mistakes while operating. A great example happened when a Tesla robot dropped a battery cell while working. Instead of stopping completely, the robot recognized the mistake, reorganized its actions, and continued without human assistance. Creating a humanoid robot that can perform tasks like a human is an extremely difficult challenge. The standard is incredibly high because humans can perform thousands of precise movements naturally without even thinking about them. One of the biggest breakthroughs in Optimus is its advanced hands. The newest version of the robot features hands and arms with 22 degrees of freedom, compared to only 11 degrees in the previous version. According to Elon Musk, the hands represent one of the biggest engineering challenges in the entire robot. From an electromechanical perspective, a huge amount of work went into designing and improving the hands. While many robotics companies focus mainly on movement speed and walking ability, Tesla has placed significant attention on creating human-like dexterity. This is because hands are what allow humans to perform detailed tasks. Picking up a glass, folding clothes, handling small objects, typing, writing, or playing an instrument all require advanced control and precision. Tesla engineers originally experimented with placing many actuators directly inside the hand to increase strength. However, this made the design too large and unnatural. Instead, Tesla moved many of these actuators into the forearm, creating a slimmer and more realistic hand design. This approach allows Optimus to have stronger and more flexible movements while maintaining a human-like appearance. Most humanoid robots today have much simpler hands. Many use only 2 or 3 fingers or claw-like designs because creating a realistic human hand is extremely difficult. Optimus takes a different approach by using a 5-finger design similar to the human hand. Each finger has a different length, just like real human hands. Elon Musk has pointed out that this difference in finger size is important because it improves dexterity and allows more precise movements. The small finger, for example, plays an important role in grip strength and control. This detailed design allows Optimus to handle both powerful and delicate tasks. The human hand itself is one of the most advanced mechanical structures in nature. It contains 27 degrees of freedom, allowing people to perform countless actions such as gripping objects, writing, drawing, playing music, and manipulating small items. Trying to recreate this ability in a robot is one of the greatest challenges in robotics. It is not enough for a robot hand to simply look human. It must also move accurately, respond quickly, and function reliably in different real-world environments. Tesla's new 22-degree of freedom Optimus hand and forearm system is already being developed for production. The robot is learning new abilities, including walking improvements and catching objects like balls. Looking at how far Optimus has progressed in such a short time is remarkable. In only a few years, it has moved from being an idea into one of the most advanced humanoid robots being developed today. Overall, Optimus's hands are much more than just another robotic component. They represent some of the most important advancements in modern robotics. By increasing the number of degrees of freedom, Tesla has moved beyond simple robotic movements and brought the robot closer to performing complex tasks that require accuracy and control. If Elon Musk's vision becomes reality, Optimus could become an essential part of everyday life. It could become something similar to the robots we imagined in science fiction, like C-3PO and R2-D2 from Star Wars. In the future, humanoid robots like Optimus could help with household chores, support elderly people, assist in medical environments, and perform highly precise tasks in science and research. With the ability to handle repetitive, dangerous, and high-precision jobs, Optimus is becoming one of the most anticipated robots in the world. If Tesla successfully brings Optimus into the market, it could completely change the way humans live and work. Imagine a future where robots handle physically demanding tasks, factory operations, household responsibilities, elderly assistance, and even work in dangerous environments where humans cannot safely operate. This would not only reduce labor costs, but could also increase productivity and improve people's quality of life. On a much larger scale, Optimus is not just another advanced machine. It could become a major business opportunity for Tesla. Elon Musk has suggested that Optimus could play a major role in Tesla's future growth and could potentially help the company reach an extremely high valuation. Tesla's electric vehicles may not be the only technology that defines the company's future. Optimus could become the product that transforms Tesla into something much bigger than an automotive company. When it comes to electric vehicles, consumers already have many choices. Companies like BYD, General Motors, Volkswagen, Ford, and others are competing in the EV market. But if Tesla successfully creates a useful and affordable humanoid robot, it could open an entirely new category where competition is still very limited. If Optimus truly delivers on its promises, it could create a completely new market for personal and industrial robots. And with Tesla's experience in artificial intelligence, software development, and large-scale manufacturing, the company could potentially become a leader in this new industry, just like it did with electric vehicles. Optimus is not only about building a cool robot. It represents Tesla's transition from being known only as a car manufacturer into a broader technology company focused on AI and automation. It could attract more investors and strengthen the belief that Elon Musk's vision of an AI-powered future is not just science fiction. It is something that may actually be happening. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates about Tesla, electric vehicles, and future transportation technology. Your support helps us continue creating more informative content for the channel. Add like this in the end. Thank you very much for watching. We truly appreciate your support, and we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, stay safe, take care, and thanks for watching.